He's dead. No, he's alive.
Sunny. What's that gonna get you?
There he is. He almost did, huh?
Oh,
wow.
He's got his mouth open too.
Look at that sucker. He's got his mouth open, yeah.
Everything, his wings all fanned out.
Sure does. Look at that sucker. Praying mantis. About 4 inches long.
Pinch you with his pincers. Do they have pincers?
Yeah. They have claws. Oh, he's smart. He's smart.
He's keeping an eye on you.
Yeah. He doesn't know what this is. That's a praying mantis.